Hey YouTube, what's going on? This is Crypto Vision. This is Thursday going into Friday. I hope everybody's having a good evening tonight. We're going to go ahead and do our top 4 blue chip tokens, which is Litecoin, XRP, and Ethereum, and Bitcoin. Right now, we've got a total market cap of about 170 billion. And we got 24-hour volume of 55 billion, and we got a Bitcoin dominance of 52.1%, which would explain why a lot of our coins are red tonight. As I've said in prior videos, typically when you've got a Bitcoin dominance of 52% or greater, a lot of your altcoins are going to usually suffer for that. You're going to have some down prices, but the good thing is it looks like they're only down by single-digit percentages. It's not like we're really killing it. You know, it's not like we're having a massive slaughter. So we'll go ahead and get into the analysis here tonight. Well, we'll see how it goes. Let's see. Litecoin is your number 4 coin. We're in the 4th spot still. We've got a market cap of 4.790 billion at 78.15 a coin. We're down let's see, 0.50%. Let's go ahead and take a look at that 24-hour chart. It'll take my machine just a moment to load. There we go. At the 24-hour chart here. Oh yeah, this is about where we all kind of fell off the cliff here. We were holding steady at about 85.34 for Litecoin, and then you start retracing down, kind of a drop off here. I think the lowest 77. Let's see what it is back here. Let's say 77.20 is going to be your lowest for today, and then you kind of went back up a little bit of ping pong. Then you went back up to about 79. And now it's just kind of what we're doing right now is I called this dip that we just had. I had a feeling we were going to have a decline in price that usually happens when you have a big run up like this. I kind of had a feeling it was going to be a sharp drop off, so this is to be expected. And as everybody knows, the markets will recover. It might take a few days. We're going to probably need to do some consolidation for a few days, maybe a few weeks. But I do have a feeling we're going to have another bull run again. It's just going to take some time to build that momentum back up again. Let's go ahead and take a look at our next coin, which I believe is XRP. XRP is your number 3 coin as usual. It's got a market cap of 13.614 billion. We're at 32 cents right now, 32.5. Right now we're down 3.05%. Or 3.86%, I'm sorry. Let's go ahead and take a look at your 24-hour chart for XRP, Ripple. As I said, I've been real tempted to get back into it, but I'm kind of just holding off for a while. I kind of just have Litecoin and Ethereum right now, and I got a little bit of Dogecoin too, Doge. So let's see, 24 hours not looking too bad for Ripple, guys. It doesn't look like you really fell off a cliff like the other 3. Let's see. We were up at about 33.9, then we started to retrace down again. Let's see, I think this might be your low right here today, which is at about 32.2. So I'm going to call 32.2 your low for Ripple. A lot of ping pong back and forth. But Ripple's one of those coins. XRP is one of those coins. That's what makes it so appealing to me, is that, it don't jump up 30 or 40 bucks, and then when you have a decline, it don't lose $15 or $20. you only lose a couple of cents. So those people who invest in Ripple are pretty smart. So at least you're not losing your butt on this little decline we're having right now. But, you know, we need to consolidate out for a few days, maybe a couple of weeks, and build some more momentum, build more stability. And we'll get back to that run we just had. I mean, I've got a feeling that was just the first run of many runs that we're going to have. Well, let's go ahead and get on to Ethereum. Excuse me, my allergies are killing me tonight. Ethereum is in your number 2 spot at 17.3. God, I'm blind as a bat. 359 billion market cap. Right now it's at 164.35 a coin, which is not bad. We're down 4.18%. And let's check the 24-hour chart. And while this is loading, let me tell you guys about Treezer. I'm affiliated with Treezer. I'm still trying to figure out the how to get it all linked up, but as soon as I do, then you guys can go ahead and take a look at the great deals they have to offer. I myself am considering buying a Treezer. I want to get all these coins, the Litecoin and the Ethereum that I have, off my Coinbase so that stupid me will not, sell it like I did today. I did a real dumbbell thing. I sold my Ethereum because I thought the price was going down, and then I got back in and I lost a little bit of money, and luckily I only lost about $10, but still the point is, if I had my Treezer, it's a little bit more difficult if you're a dumbbell like me to just, if it's on your Coinbase, it's, it's easier for you to just move it around, sell it if it goes down. But when you have the Treezer, the great thing about that is it makes you think before you act. And that is the key, guys. You got to think, guys and girls, you got to think before you do this. Now, if I sell this, how much more is it going to cost me to get into? If I see the price starting to jump up a little bit, just buy a Treezer, guys. Do what I'm going to do. Put one Ethereum, one Litecoin, one Bitcoin, just a little bit of each on on your Treezer, and you'll have it off the internet. It'll be safe. Nobody will be able to hack it. To me, that's a great investment. Well, enough about that. Let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum. At your highest point for Ethereum today, you were at about 171.85. And you started to retrace down. I believe our low was 159-ish, I want to say. Let's see what this says here. 161. We're going to call 159 because on my phone I saw that it was 159 today. That's about how low we got. Now, guys, I can see if we have another day tomorrow like we did today and through the night, I could possibly see Ethereum dropping to 150, maybe even retesting the 149 level. So if that happens again, I'm definitely not going to sell out because I don't want to lose what little bit I got left. I just got to be patient like everybody else. We need to be patient and wait for the next run up. And then you take profits. You don't wait like me until it's all the way down and then you lose your butt on it. I mean, I got into it at 140. I still made some profits. I still made $24. But I should have got out in the 180. But anyway, enough rambling. Ethereum's looking pretty decent right now. You're holding a support at around the 160 to 164 range right now. I think the key is to hold 164 to 165 for support. If that's not able to happen, I can see it maybe retesting 160. Maybe the 150s we'll see again. But if we can get another bounce, I think we'll be in pretty good shape. So that's kind of a wait and see. But Ethereum looked pretty good. It's not looking terrible. I mean, we're only down 1%, so it's not a crime. But anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin. That's going to be your number one coin. And Bitcoin is got a market cap of 88.795 billion. It's at 5,033.43 a coin. Right now we're down 3.54%. Let's go ahead and take a look at that 24-hour chart. And I think the key for Bitcoin, guys, is we need to keep above that $5,000 level. If we can keep above that $5,000 level, I think it's pretty much a mental thing, you know. If we can keep above that, I think it'll really keep everybody from really sinking, because I've noticed that Litecoin, Ethereum, they pretty much mirror what Bitcoin does. So if Bitcoin can hold on to that support, I think we'll be in great shape. So Bitcoin for your high is going to be around here, 52.22. Then we retrace back down. Little bit of ping pong action here, kind of stuck in this channel. You retrace down a little bit more. I'm going to call 49.90, 49.60 is going to be your low. So Bitcoin's not looking too bad, guys. But I mean, if it were me personally, I would wait. If I was going to invest in Bitcoin, I'd wait till it maybe 4,300, 4,200. Right now, we are just pretty much heavily overbought on all these coins. We needed this little correction in order to get all that straightened out. So please believe me, guys, I've seen enough of this that this market will recover. The bear market is not back. We needed a little correction. That way we can get momentum going again. We're going to see if there's any interesting news out there, and then we're going to go ahead and wrap the show up tonight. Take my computer just a moment. Well, Bitcoin and Ethereum trading reaches crypto bull. Well, guys, I'm not really seeing anything interesting out there, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the show now. So this is Crypto Vision signing off. Thursday going into Friday. Peace out.